Happy morning to all of you. Welcome back in Sri Ganesh online education series. Dear students, yesterday we have learned about special skills and various occupations. It was very simple, so this point was end up easily. Okay, and I hope all of you understood that point, and I hope all of you find out 15 hard words and you have copied it in your notebooks. Okay, keep one thing in your mind, that we are going to call few students, means group wise 10 students we are going to call every day, and we are going to check their notebooks in the school. Okay, this one is a new project, so properly complete your all subject homework. Okay, because you have to come along with your parents to check your homework. Okay, is it clear? Okay, see, special skills and various occupations, it was completed, and today we are going to learn about 8.3 community life based on mutual cooperation. Community life based on mutual cooperation. See, first one, the farmers in the village settlement were now producing surplus food. See, farmers in the village settlement were now producing surplus food. What is mean by surplus food? Means excess food. They are producing excess food. Okay, they needed skilled craftsmen for tasks like making agriculture implements, and they need skilled men. Okay, skilled men means those they have skill. Skilled men, craftsmen for tasks like making agriculture implements, that they can make agriculture implements and repairing them. Such craftsmen were paid in the form of food grains or other articles, and such craftsmen were paid in the form of food grains, means whatever work they will do, in the replacement now we are giving money. At that time they were giving food grain or other articles. The craftsmen needed to obtain their raw material from long distances, and these craftsmen, they needed raw material, and it was from long distance they have to bring. The price of this raw material was also paid in the form of food grain. Okay, how it is paid? In the form of food grain, articles, etc. Thus, the barter system. Do you know now barter system? Barter system of buying and selling was established. Barter system means what? That if someone works, in his replacement we have to give some things. Okay, like such as food grain, or if I'm making pots, then I will give you a pot and you will do my work. Like this, replacement was there. Now we are giving money. That time they were replacing things. Okay, so that is called barter system of buying and selling was established. The barter system also began to be used when there was a needed to obtain raw materials. This barter system was used when there was need of raw material, finished object, then other articles of daily use, etc. From other places. Means these things they have to bring from other places. So this barter system is used here also. Salt is an essential atom. Most of the village settlements need to obtain it from far away places, and most of the village settlements needed this salt, and it was obtained from far places. Salt traders also traded articles they received in exchange of salt. See, salt traders, they were also getting some articles in the change of salt. The salt trade helped the expansion of trade in the New Stone Age. And see, the salt trade helped the expansion of trade in the New Stone Age. The village community made rules for mutual cooperation in order to keep this system of trade and distribution of resources running smoothly. And because of this, they made some rules to make it smooth. People responsible for the implementation of these rules became the chief of the village settlement, and people are responsible to make it chief for the village settlements. The chiefs were also entrusted with the protection of the village. See, the chief were also entrusted with the protection of the village. This is how the village administrative system came into being. This is how the administrative system came into being. Evidence of protective walls and moats around the village settlement of the New Stone Age has been found in excavations. Excavation means to dig a hole with the help of machines. And these walls were built to protect the village settlements, and these walls were built like compound. We are making compound for our house, like these compounds were made for their villages. For what it is? To protect the village settlements from flood, wild animals and outsiders who stole the village cattle. Like this, for this purpose these walls were built. Okay, so like this, community life based on the mutual cooperation. Do you understand it? Very good. Now today's also homework, it is same. You have to find out 15 hard words and copy them thrice in your notebook. Thank you very much. Now only 2 points are remain. Okay, that we will see afterwards.